Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Manchester, local, and long distance movers near me. Long distance relocation involves transporting your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more. Our movers are knowledgeable and provide professional guidance. Even if you haven't figured out any of the details, we'll help you gain clarity. Our movers are also cautious when handling your items, and your belongings are essential, and we treat them with the utmost care. Our moving trucks contribute to the safety and fast delivery of your belongings. They are strong and have compartments that accommodate and protect your belongings. We also work closely with state and federal regulatory bodies in charge of interstate and intrastate moves, so we are a verified and registered moving company. Local moves are also less than 50 miles. In North Manchester, we provide top-of-the-line local moving services to locals. Our drivers know all the road networks, and your belongings are at the doorstep of your new location in no time. Our moving services are punctual and reliable. In addition, we provide the best services at the cheapest rates. Our local moving services cost between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Manchester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.